What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at $1, down 2.7 on the day. Senior market cap of 8.66 billion. 24-hour volume, 371 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up. You can check out my full-length tutorial. It's pinned in the description, as well as pinned at the very end of the video. And grab up to 8K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Matic. Here we are on the 1 hour time frame. So I think we're going to see a retracement. I think this bearish divergence has a likelihood of playing out on the 4 hour time frame. We started to break down from this symmetrical triangle. So what we may be looking at is that the 5-way move is already complete. And then we see that continuation to the downside. If we do just break up from here and invalidate these divergences, then simply the 5-way move isn't complete. But it looks like this retracement may be starting. We've broken down. We had a retest of this symmetrical triangle, and the technical target would take you down very, very close to the normal retracement zone. Would take you just below the 0.382, which is the minimum target for a wave 2 pullback. But I would be looking for a bounce and potentially to take a long trade in between 0.0799, 0.799 and 0.88. If we break below the 0.786, it's unlikely that this is a wave 2, and we could potentially see continuation to the downside in this ending diagonal. We'll have to see how it reacts to those levels, but as of right now, we've started to break down from this triangle. It doesn't mean that you can't just shoot up. I've seen it before, a little fake out to the downside, and then it shoots up. But we're at resistance with divergences, so I think the higher probability is that we start to put in that retracement for Matic, put in that pullback, and potentially see a bounce from this zone. And as I mentioned, if we break the 0.786, then higher likelihood you're going to come down in the ending diagonal wave 3. As you can see right here, we've been talking about coming back to the EMAs because we've had the bullish cross. So if you see that pullback back down to about 80 cents, that's where you'll find support along the EMAs. And if that can hold and we bounce, then potentially what I'd be looking at here is that this was a wave 1 ABC into a flat wave 2 ABC flat, and you're going to shoot up in a wave 3, as I've been mentioning. We broke out of this symmetrical triangle. The technical target is up here at about $1.16. Taking a look at ETH, same thing. I think there's a higher likelihood that the 5-way move is already complete. A little bit of a rising wedge here. So if we do break down, bearish divergence, money flowing out, then you would be looking for either a wave 2 pullback where you shot up in a wave 1, and then you would pull back in a wave 2, which would take you down in between 1244 and 1373. Or there is still potential of coming down in the ending diagonal wave 5, but it's starting to look a little bit less likely, as I've been mentioning in the videos. But I do think the retracement in the short term is coming shortly. If we do push up, then the 5-way move isn't complete, but the indicators are telling us we're losing strength, money is flowing out. So the higher probability is that we start the retracement. Doesn't mean it has to happen. That's just a higher probability according to the indicators and looking at the resistance and the 5-way move already being complete. And we're pushing up into a major level of resistance here that we've been mentioning on the channel. So it would be healthy. We're a little bit overextended from the EMAs. You can see we've just had an absolutely massive pump. Many days of green candles, so it would be healthy to see some pullback. Extremely overbought on the daily. So basically this is FOMO. If you're buying right now, it's just FOMO. Doesn't mean it can't push higher, but if you do want to load up on Ethereum, I would wait for the retracement. Not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, just a young guy from Canada. All right, gang, so I'm looking for that pullback for the price of Matic. I think that's the higher probability as we start to pull back. If we do push up and break the high, simply the wave 1 is not complete, the 5-way move is not complete. But if we do pull back, I'll be looking for a bounce in between 0.79 and 0.88 and a potential wave 2. I may look to take a long from that level. I'll drop a signal in the Discord if I do. But if we do lose that support of 0.799, that's when we can see the continuation down in that wave 3. We'll have to see how that plays out. So sign up to BitGet, grab those bonuses, check out my full-length tutorial, and email me or sign up email, free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, all kinds of goodies at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, as well as trade signals, crypto news. I've just started posting news for Gala Games, Bitcoin, Matic, as well as I'll be posting for Ethereum. You can see how the members are doing with their trades. They like to post their profits in here. And of course, you can see what I'm doing with my HODL all plays. All of that is the same price as a Netflix subscription, only $10 per month. You can sign up to the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Check out my tutorial for BitGet. Will be pinned at the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.